Welcome to my channel, 𝐤𝐪𝐿 Flavors, and today we're going to make something different. It's called beef stir fry. So please subscribe to my channel because many more recipes are going to be coming your way. Let's get started. I have beef, broccoli, bell pepper, onion, garlic, ginger, oyster sauce, sesame oil, cornstarch, soy sauce, salt, and pepper. For our sauce, we have beef broth, soy sauce, cornstarch, and sugar. Now I have a pound of thinly sliced beef. We're going to put sesame oil, oyster sauce, soy sauce, a pinch of salt, and pepper. It's your preference. Sugar, cornstarch. Mix them together. Set it aside. I have a boiling water now here for our broccoli. Just put a little salt. We are going to blanch our broccoli for 5 minutes until it turns dark green. These are for the sauce mixture. We have the beef broth. Add the soy sauce, cornstarch, and sugar and mix them together. Set it aside. Okay, let's check our broccoli. You don't want to overcook them. Set it aside and run a cold water to hold the cooking process and drain them. Our pan is already hot with oil. We're going to do this in batches, frying our beef on high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Overcrowding the pan causes the beef to steam and not fry. Now we are going to remove them and set aside. Stir fry the bell pepper for 1 minute and set it aside. Saute the onions until translucent, then add ginger, garlic, and the sauce mixture. We are going to bring the broccoli and pepper back into the pan and coat them with the sauce. Add the beef and continue to coat them with the sauce. And we are done! I will see you in my next video.